Yes sir, rise and grind. And I'm back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. Y'all check me out. Alright, what's poppin', y'all, man? I'm back at y'all with another giveaway. Happy New Year. It's January. We're gonna start it off right. So in this video, you see I threw in some rotors with this giveaway. Yeah, so in order to win, man, all you gotta do is just follow these 3 steps. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like the video. Watch for the keyword and comment it in the comment section below. Now we're gonna be working on this 2016 Jeep Cherokee. It's a Latitude 2.4 cylinder. All right. Check the codes. All right, so she ran hot. The hand went up higher than normal. She slowed down to stop the vehicle. It cooled off and it didn't go back up. But this is the code that it triggered. Check engine light. Okay, so if you get that code P0128, pretty much you're more than likely going to be replacing the thermostat if you don't have any leaks. That's how that thermostat looks. It's got a sensor on it, that coolant temp sensor, and the thermostat is inside already. And it has a hose on the back end and hose coming on the front. I'll show you how that looks. Take off this engine cover. Got those 4 tabs right there. Pry them off. Alright, you can see down in here, there's the hose. It sits like that. So you follow that hose. Alright, those bolts. You got 4 bolts holding it. Gotta take all that off, get to it. Okay, so what I did right here was take out this 10mm bolt over here, and this one on this side, on the side of it, and these are the 2 bolts right here. And then you slide these up out of the tabs, and that ECM can move. Don't forget to remove your battery terminal. Positive, no power flowing through. Alright, so what I did next was take out that heater hose, that connector there. I'll get back there to that back one right there. Trying to free up some space over here. Took it off this clip. Set it down like that. Took this hose off. Trying to move it over to the side. Took this off. I want to show you real quick how I'm getting this bottom bolt. So that top one, that's a 10, and that bottom one is an 8mm switched up. That's how long that bolt is. Top bolt, 10mm. Gotta be careful right here. Look at that hose right there. Nothing but hot coolant coming through, and they would make it plastic. All right, these bolts here, 13mm, one here, and the other one down there. Use my pry bar to pry this thing out because it was in there pretty pretty good. Let me show you the hardest part here. Is that bottom bolt, bottom right. Got an extension on there with a 10 mil, and it reached it. It was hard. That's the hardest part, man. But I broke it loose, and now I'm undoing it now. That's where it is. That one right there. Another thing I did want to add. Okay, see how I got it in there? I was able to get it in there because I moved that hose over to the side. That hose that goes there, I pushed it up underneath that other hose so it'll stay. And I was able to get that down in there. Oh, I was able to get it out that way. Is. Now I can take off this hose. It's supposed to came off because I took the clip, that clip right there. I had took it out, so it went back in. That's how you get it out. You pull up on that clip and then I have to pry it off. That clip right there. Start going back in. Alright, I got all of the bolts, the two up top and that one on the bottom. I got them loose though, so I can go ahead and add this bolt, that bottom one, that hard one. So I put some paper down in there so it won't fall out. Alright, so far so good. Just hook everything back up. Reverse order. Replace this hose here. And it is a dealer item. Goes all the way to the coolant reservoir, to the top of the thermostat. And this is the part. Break this in, and you gotta repair the whole unit. That's crazy. Got it at the dealership for about 80 bucks. I'll list the part number in the description though. Alright, so it's looking like it's held down by two bolts. One here. Take that off. Got a bolt here, 10 millimeter. And we should be able to move it. And I just took some pliers and pried this off. Just wiggled it back and forth, it came off. Should be able to get it out now. Sure you get you a clamp, tighten it down, good. And it is connected, we good. We're gonna top it off. You gotta bleed the air out. Little tab right here. This is where you bleed the air. Alright, my job is complete. Alright, when you're bleeding that air, you basically use that valve down there. That level will go down eventually. You can add more, drive it around. Yeah. So man, like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Y'all get at me, man. Pull up King.